Hey guys, it's Weezy Swagmaster here with another game on iPod. I was looking on the top charts and I found this game right here next to Geometry Dash. It's called Runbird. Heard it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a chance. Maybe like 10 rounds, maybe. Hopefully we can get a good score. And give it a quick test run so I know how it works. Press these little arrows. Oh, there's an ad there. It's kind of dumb. Hopefully we can avoid that. And you just kind of try to, you see in the top of the screen, you can see where the boxes are coming down from. Ooh, not there. Ooh, okay. And you gotta try to get the candies if you want to. Can you go around my head? Ooh, almost ran into that box. Cool. Oh. Yeah, that's actually pretty good, right? I'm not gonna replay it. How do I replay? Oh, never mind. I'm gonna replay. Oh, and now my new high score is 89. Cool. See if I can get a little bit higher than 89. That would be cool. Shocking clicking on any of these ads yet. They're so there. It's so hard to avoid. The game in itself isn't the world's hardest, but like just with the ads there is making it difficult. I don't want to click it and get sent off to a different website or an app store. Okay. Avoid that. Avoid that. I'm really aware right now. I'm just trying to not mess up. Really focus, getting intense. Oh no, oh yeah. Wait, oh, move there for a second. Oh no. 86. Wait. If you guys want to check this out, it's just Runbird on the App Store. It's available on just normal App Store, iTunes. No, not iTunes. Just App Store for iPod or Google Play, maybe. Well, it's a pretty popular game. I guess they should have it on there. And leave your scores in the comments. See if you can beat my score of 89 currently. Oh no. That was a dumb move. Oh, there's an ad. I'm gonna mute it for you guys. Oh, there's a skip button over here. Skip. Cool. X. I'm gonna give it one more attempt and then I'm gonna wrap it up. And if you guys enjoy this, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you want to. Always if you want to, because I'm never forcing anyone to do anything. It just means a lot if you do. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to build this channel up as high as I can go. Oh no, I clicked on an ad. No. Oh well guys, I'm just gonna wrap this up, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment if you want something different. Means a lot if you do. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.